Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll show you how I painted 3 mermaids for Mermay challenge. I'm talking about these drawings. 2 drawings I painted in Photoshop, one of them I painted in Procreate. Topics for these drawings were Tsunami, Memory and Oasis. Let me show you how I was painting it. The first drawing I painted in Photoshop. And all of the drawings you see in this video are painted from imagination. You know, there are 2 types of people during tsunami. First type of people run away from the disaster, they scared of it. The second type of people, they enjoy it. If you will see one weirdo during tsunami who is enjoying the waves, it probably would be me. So I painted this mermaid who is the same as me. second drawing is called Memory. Years ago, when I used to wear glasses, it was before my eye surgery, I always had this problem where I would wear glasses, and when I was hurrying to school or to university, I was running around the house trying to find my glasses, when all this time these glasses were on me. So I painted a boy who is late for school and he is trying to find his glasses. I painted it in Procreate. And third drawing for Mermay challenge is Oasis. I painted this painting also in Photoshop. I don't know what to say about this drawing. When I was painting it, I thought that I'm gonna create a masterpiece, but now I'm looking at it and I realize that this drawing doesn't look like I wanted it to look. So maybe in the future I'll try to paint it again and work on my mistakes. So yeah, that's it. That's 3 drawings for Mermay challenge. This is not the last video with Mermay challenge. I need to record the last video with mermaids, where you see the rest of my drawing that I made for Mermay challenge. I hope you enjoy my mermaids so far. I think I created a good collection of paintings. I'm not gonna say that I liked all of the drawings that I created, no, but there are many good drawings and I'm proud of it. Maybe you noticed that in the recent days I painted 2 animations. One animation is based on Rapunzel and Jinx characters, and the other animation is based on The Last of Us. And you know, after resting from making animations, I could compare my feelings about creating drawings in Procreate and creating animations in Procreate Dreams. And you know, this is such a different feeling, because when you create animation, you spend hours and days on creating it. So you're always in this state when you want to see finished result. But when you paint in Procreate, it's so quickly, you just start painting and it's already finished and you are satisfied with the result, you are happy. So yeah, what I'm trying to say, if some of you want to paint animations, you have to be very patient, because you won't see instant result. You need to work on it compared to just regular painting. And I know this is obvious. For one painting in Procreate, I spend around 1 hour to 2 hours. When I make animations, it takes sometimes from 2 days to a week, or sometimes even more. And also I wanted to say, I'm as always late with The Last of Us animation, because I think the hype around this show is already not so big, because people already calm about it. It's easier if you are someone who paints fan arts, because you have opportunity to post it while there is a hype around the show. But if you paint animations, you're always going to be late, because animations takes much longer. I'm thinking about many projects that I want to create. One of them, I wanted to make sculpture. No, not this sculpture. This sculpture is just standing there because I wanted to have something on the background. This is why Alice is standing there. I wanted to make sculpture of animals, and this is gonna be big sculpture, not this like this small figurine. It would be much bigger. At first, what I wanted to do is test sculptures, and if everything will be okay, then I would start thinking about how to create a big sculpture. And also, if you watched my sketchbook tour, you probably remember that I was talking about that I want to create a portrait from imagination, and I was making a lot of studies. Right now I have many sketches, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't like how the sketches look like. This is not what I want to see in my finished painting. I'm trying to plan everything because I want to make a very good painting. So as you can see, I have many ideas, but the problem with all of my ideas is that I don't have clear vision to what I want to create. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Bye.